Happy Tuesday. So I have a video that was supposed to be edited like last week or 2 weeks ago now. For whatever reason, InShot, which is what I use to edit my videos, is giving me a hard time with uploading the videos that I've already recorded. So hopefully I can get that together and get a video out for you guys. But I don't know if this is going to be a new video, probably, because it's a new week. It is Tuesday. I don't work on Mondays. But this is a new week, so I think this will be a second video. I am about to fill up my wax pot with some Satin Smooth. I usually get the blue one. They didn't have it, so I bought this one, which is Calendula Gold Hard Wax with tea tree oil. Hopefully I like it. We'll see. But I also need to give myself a Brazilian wax, so that's part of the reason why I grabbed it. And I also got some Christmas decor, so I might give you guys a tour after I'm all set up. It's so bright. Anyway, I'm eating my breakfast. I made an egg in the microwave. It's good. Try it. I didn't have any more of my just egg or just crack an egg, whatever it's called. But I just ended up putting salt, pepper, kicking chicken, and some cheese in here. I got some orange juice. So today, I only have one client today because Tuesdays I have therapy every other week. I freaking love therapy. Let me put my little ring light on. I always look forward to every other Tuesday. So I have a light volume later, and she's actually, let me fix this. My client is actually also my friend, so hopefully we can get some content in, because that's what I need to do. I feel like I've been slacking a little bit with content. I just forget. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I am in the studio as we speak. I actually only have two clients today, but I have 4 services. So I have a brow wax, a Brazilian wax, a full set of lashes, and then my last client has a mini fill. I am currently watching, let me turn this down actually. Yeah, so my last client has a mini fill. The first 3 services are all for one client. So, and she's a new client, so that'll be cool. She was a referral. I feel like one of the top ways that I get my clients is by word of mouth. I feel like that's one of the best ways, because not only have you now learned about my business, but you've also heard it from somebody who's been here, and they can describe what their experience is, and then you'd make the best decision for you. So yeah, I always love word of mouth, or I always love the referrals. I appreciate my clients when they talk about me, so anyway, I'm in my waiting room right now watching Lash videos, because I used to be obsessed with watching Lash tech videos and vlogs, and then I fell off, and I'm back on it again. So yeah, I already have her set up. The only thing I just thought about that I have to pull out is a consent form, because like I said, the first client is a new client, And then I have to be in and out of here. I have to be out of here at least by 2:15 the latest, because my daughter is having a family day at her school and I can't miss it. So we got to get these clients in and out. Obviously not rushing them, but definitely got to get done on time. Get up and go work. Okay, the marbles, yeah. Yeah, so we were talking about that because that's the first marble. All right, so I just finished my first client who had the 3 services. That went pretty good. It didn't take me as long as I expected it because she got here a little bit late, and I think it's like 12:30 now. 12:30 is when I finished up with her. So let's see. Her appointment was originally for 9:40. She got here closer to 10. So yeah, 2.5 hours. That's not bad. That's not bad for a Brazilian brow wax and a full set of lashes. Is it just me, or do y'all love Instacart? I ran out of eggs. I had to buy more. And I only get the little one because I got a mini fridge. I got to fit everything in there. Some feta cheese for my eggs. I was being greedy, so I got this. This True Fruit is so good. And this, because mommy clearly was craving some chocolate. Got some more creamer, and this is my favorite freaking creamer ever by Planet Oat. Don't knock it till you try it. I love this creamer. And then some Stoke coffee for when I need something iced. And I think I'm gonna get me some iced coffee cups because we are boycotting Starbucks. So yeah, anyway, got some more water. So yeah, I'm about to make me some coffee and get me some snacks, and that's about it. Thanks, Stop and Shop.